Welcome, in front of me is a REALME X50 and today I'll show you how to insert SIM card into the device. So before we get started, we will need a SIM eject tool. Now this comes provided with the device and you can find it somewhere in the box. And you can also use paperclip. You will just need to straighten out one of the ends of it. Now from there, let's pop out the tray which is located on the bottom of the phone. And there we go. Now on the tray you have space for two different SIM cards on either side. I'm gonna only occupy one. You place it the exact same way as the first one. Make sure that it's in there. It should snap in and not pop out when you flip it over. And from there all you need to do is just insert it back into the phone. And let's wait for it. There we go. The pen for the SIM card. And there we go. So that is how you would insert SIM card into the device. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.